Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I always try to spice it up, or maybe just a little bit different, or whenever I'm playing any sport, I have this Mayo in water enhancer, this limited flavor. That is awesome. So here's how it works. This is a water enhancer. That means that just with a couple of these drops of this little guy in here, your water starts tasting like a normal lemonade in my case. So you just put a couple of drops, pow pow, you stir it up, and the flavor of your water actually goes great. There's no need for added sugar, so it's not a sugary drink that is gonna be like going really hard on the sugar. No, this is plain, really good flavor of just a lemonade that is just great. So I use this for even for sports whenever I just want to add a couple of dish drops with my water, and it's just awesome. It's great because you can actually take this with you pretty much anywhere because the size of this packaging, you just put it in your backpack and you're just good to go. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.